All right, today we are diving into a protocol that is, and I'm not exaggerating, quietly changing everything about how we use AI. It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. And if you have ever felt that frustration with your AI assistant, well, this is the solution you've been waiting for.
So, first things first, let's talk about a problem that I am willing to bet feels very familiar. It's that daily, kind of low-grade headache you get when you're trying to work with AI. A headache that's secretly become a massive bottleneck for, well, all of us.
Does this whole back and forth look familiar to you? You ask your AI for help, and then, bam, suddenly your job is to be a human copy-paste machine. You're just stuck in this tedious loop, feeding it little bits and pieces of info just to get one simple thing done.
And right there, that's the heart of the problem. These AI assistants are incredibly powerful. They really are. But they're also totally isolated. They're living inside these little digital bubbles, completely blind to your actual work, your files, your tools, your entire world. And this isolation forces us into this absolutely frustrating cycle. We have to copy-paste enormous chunks of text. We have to describe our projects instead of just, showing them. And then, after all that, we have to manually implement every single suggestion the AI makes. It turns what should be a 2-second request into a total marathon of manual work. But what if there was a way to just break the AI out of that bubble? Well, that is precisely what MCP does. And honestly, the best way to get your head around it is with an analogy that pretty much everyone understands: the good old USB.
Think back to the world before USB. It was pure chaos, right? You had a tangled mess of different proprietary cables for every single gadget. Your printer needed one, your camera another, your phone a third. Nothing worked together. And then USB came along, created one single, universal standard, and poof, everything just worked.
That is exactly what MCP is doing for the world of AI. Before, we had all these separate, walled-off systems, things like ChatGPT plugins or Claude tools that just didn't talk to each other. Now, with MCP, we finally have one universal, open protocol that lets any AI connect to any tool or any data source out there.
And that, in a nutshell, is the Model Context Protocol. It really is the USB for AI. It's an open standard that creates a common language, a universal translator that allows any AI to talk directly to any external tool.
So, okay, how does this universal connector actually work? Well, under the hood, it's actually surprisingly simple. It really just breaks down into 3 core pieces. Okay, so the whole system has 3 parts. First, you've got the host. That's the AI application you're actually using, like Claude or VS Code. Then there's the client, which is just the part inside the host that knows how to speak the MCP language. But the real magic, the real game changer, is the server. You can think of servers as plugins that give your AI superpowers, connecting it directly to things like GitHub, your local files, or even a database. So an MCP server can basically give the AI 3 new kinds of abilities. First up, tools. These are actual actions the AI can take, like creating a file or sending a message. Second, resources, which is just raw data for context, like, say, the contents of a folder. And third, prompts. These are handy, reusable templates you can trigger with a / command to save yourself a ton of typing. But here's the thing that makes MCP so important. It's not just the technology. It's the incredible speed of adoption. This wasn't some standard forced on people from the top down. It grew organically, straight from the community, and it has exploded to become the new industry standard. And the momentum has just been staggering. By the end of 2025, the community had built over 10,000 active MCP servers. That's not some niche little experiment. That is a massive, thriving ecosystem that was built in just over a year.
And the journey from a simple idea to the industry standard happened unbelievably fast. It all started at an internal Anthropic hackathon where, as one of the creators said, everyone just built an MCP. It was just so obvious it was the right solution. By early 2025, all the big names were on board, and then, just about a year after it launched, it was donated to the Linux Foundation, cementing it as a truly neutral, open standard for the entire industry.
And just look who's on board. This isn't some kind of format war. The founding supporters of this move to the Linux Foundation include OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, AWS, and Anthropic. All the major clients, all the key services, everyone is building on this single, unified protocol.
Okay, so that's the what and the why. Now for the really fun part. What does this actually let you do? Let's look at a real-world before and after that really drives it home. So before MCP, if you wanted a simple code review, you know the drill. It was a good 5 minutes of finding all the right files, opening them up, copying the code, pasting it all into the chat, and then just praying you didn't miss anything important.
Now with MCP, that entire 5-minute manual slog becomes one single sentence, spoken in plain English. You're not just feeding the AI a blob of text anymore, you're giving it a complex, multi-step task, and crucially, access to all the tools it needs to get it done.
And this is the magic moment. The AI doesn't just talk about what you should do, it actually does it. It goes and reads the files directly from your project, it checks the version history using Git, it analyzes the code, and then it goes and creates a real issue in GitHub. It's no longer just a chatbot, it's an active partner in your workflow.
So when you stack MCP up against the older plugin systems, the benefits are just crystal clear. Instead of being locked into one platform, it's universal. Instead of being proprietary, it's a completely open standard. And this is a big one. It can run locally on your machine, which means your private data actually stays private.
But you know, this isn't just about making today's chatbots a little more convenient. MCP is actually laying the critical groundwork for the next major leap in artificial intelligence.
And that next huge leap is AI agents. For an AI to become truly autonomous, to be able to plan, to execute complex tasks, and to solve problems all on its own, it needs a reliable, standardized way to see and interact with the world's tools and data. MCP is that foundational layer. It's the nervous system. And the protocol itself is just getting started. I mean, imagine an AI that can discover and install new tools for itself, or one that can manage complex, long-running projects without any supervision from you. That's what's coming next, making these connections even more powerful and seamless.
So ultimately, what MCP does is it tears down the walls between an AI's brain and the world's tools. It's creating a future where your AI can connect to and maybe even control just about anything. And that leaves us with just one question. What will you build with it? Thanks for tuning in.